Welcome. I invite you now to find a place and position that is comfortable for you. And when you have found that place of comfort, gently close your eyes. As you bring awareness to your breath, give your body a little wiggle. Allow all the tension from the day to melt away. Extend gratitude towards yourself for taking time out from the day to look after yourself. When life gets a little busy, we can often neglect our needs and slowly snowball our stress and inner tension. To begin, lift your shoulders slowly to your ears. Tense the muscles as you reach for your ears. And release and relax. Feel all tension slip away. And again, lift up, reaching, 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 and relax, release. Repeat that a few more times on your own until you feel fully relaxed. Allow your attention to fall back to your breath. Notice how it feels in your body, whether fast or slow, relaxed or tight, deep or shallow. Do not worry if it's not as deep as it can be, or if you notice you're breathing faster than you usually do. Pay attention without judgment. As you practice awareness, you will find that by simply noticing the breath, you give it space to unwind and soften all by itself. Sometimes in life, you may get caught up in your problems and find it hard to see a way out. They become so big, you can lose perspective of what is happening around you. One way of gaining a little perspective on your concerns is by taking a step back. You gently detach from the cycle of thinking by taking your attention away from your thoughts and feelings and placing it on the world around you. By noticing the world, and the natural world especially, you can allow yourself to surrender and let go of control. Gently let go of that awareness and take a couple of deep, full breaths. Feel the cool air brush past your nostrils, the back of your throat, and deep down into your belly. Release the breath out with a sigh. As you breathe in again, imagine the air flow deep down into your body. Picture it pouring into your limbs, and release the breath out with a sigh again. On your next in-breath, allow the air to pass through your hands and fingertips, feet, and toes. Feel it cool your body from the inside. Give your body permission to let go of any tension you may find. Take this moment to continue in your own time, allowing the air to flow past your whole body on every inhale, and exhaling with a sigh, releasing all the worries, tension, and stresses of your day. Release your awareness from your breath and return to a comfortable pattern of breathing. Notice any change in your breathing since you started the practice. Maybe it feels easier to breathe. Maybe you feel your breath traveling deeper and slower. Or maybe it has not changed at all. And that's okay. In your own time, gently shift your mind to a warm place. Notice the feeling of coarse stones beneath your body, rough against your palms. The warmth is trapped by the heat of the sun radiating from their surface. Your fingertips scraped it gently. Allow the colors of warm reds, oranges, and browns to penetrate your vision and warm you up inside as they begin to take shape. Large, towering rocks faces the color of sunsets. As you look around, you find yourself in a canyon with cliff sides reaching towards the sky. Orange streaks of different shades run across the faces of the rocks, showing their unimaginable age. As you take in your surroundings, remind yourself to breathe, allowing the pure air to fill your lungs. Satisfy your urge to breathe fully and completely. In your own time, stand up in the canyon and take yourself in any direction you want to. Feel the shaded stones beneath you as the sun passes above you slowly. If you look up, you can see the edging past the wide canal in the sky that forms the sides of the cliffs. The silence is a gentle blanket around you. Notice the moments between the silence. Allow your body to be fully present, not clinging on the past or rushing towards the future that comes in its own time. As you continue to walk, take in the enormity of the stone structures around you. You are a small piece of creation in the midst of larger-than-life walls formed over millions of years ago. Notice their firm stillness, which no human can budge. Remind yourself to breathe gently. Fill yourself with pure air and bring your attention to the bottom of your feet. What sensations do you notice? How do the stones feel beneath you? Can you feel loose gravel in some places? The warm, dry air is still against your skin. Allow the feeling to penetrate you, softening your exterior and interior. Breathe the warm in deeply. Allow it to melt all tension away. Making your way through the valleys, you can see the path twisting around a corner up ahead. The walls closed in and the path becomes more and more narrow. You make your way into the red passage, feeling the dust and stones beneath you, crunching at every step. As you approach the turn, the air silent fills it with the sound of the river, getting louder and louder. The shadows rise higher against the wall as the sun passes over the cliffside out of your view. The air cools slightly as you follow the path to a small opening like a doorway. On the other side, the canyon walls open up into a large expanse, a blue river twisting and turning through the valley below you. The canyon walls open up outwards like flower petals, with the river at its center like a seed. The sounds of the water flowing over rocks fill the air. Sometimes your problem seems like mountains, impossible to overcome or go through. But it is hard to see the whole picture when we keep our faces close to the painting. Sometimes it takes just a little shift in perspective to change how we see the negatives in our lives. Maybe in them you can find some positive, or maybe they are not as bad as you thought so at first. Allow your breath to flow easily, a smooth, harmonious pattern. Give yourself permission to breathe as you need to. Picture the warm air entering your body and melting your insides, all tension dissolving and releasing its hold on you. Slowly let go of those images, saying goodbye to the river, the canyon walls, and the rocks. Begin to come back to the present moment, back to your environment. Take in any sounds around you. Notice any sensations. Stretch your body gently. Wiggle your toes and your fingers. Sway your head from side to side. And when you are ready, open your eyes. And may you have a wonderful day or night. Namaste.